Hello everyone, I'm going to demonstrate on this video tutorial how to use the cart code for WooCommerce plugin, some settings on the backend, and how to create codes from backend and boost your sales. So first of all, we're going to see the settings. I'm going to the WP admin, to WooCommerce settings, and you will see that you have a new tab for cart code. If you click this, you're going to see all the settings for the plugin. I'm going to take one by one and explain how and how it works and what it does. Always prompt for login means that the users will not be able to visit the single quotes pages, even if they have a link. When they are going to land on this page, they will be prompted to log in or create an account. The second one is require account. This will allow access to the single codes, but it will require a user to be logged in to submit the quote list. So a user on the front end will not be able to submit the quote list for review. If you check this checkbox, add quotes list on my account, this will display a list of all the quotes that are available for, for the user on the My Account page. So you may want to have this checked. Remove Add to Quote button on product. If you click this, I'm going to click this too, and save settings. I'm going to the shop, and you see that the button is gone. If I'm going to click this, save, refresh here, and you see that the Add to Quote button is here now. And the same is for the list. Add to Quote button is here, but this one is the next option. Remove Add to Quote button from products archives. If you check this, then all the list of products will not have the Add to Quote button. Disallow user remarks. This is going to remove comments when the user is submitting the quote list. So this text area will be gone. We are in the code list. Code list, here are the products that the user has added to his code list. If you check this checkbox, then the comments will not be available for the user. This option. Empty cart before adding quote items. So we're going back to our user. The user has 6 products on his cart, the normal cart. We are going to the My Account and see all the user. Let's see. This code is approved. When the user will click on accept and check out, if you have this checkbox checked, then it will empty the cart from the user before adding these 2 specific products to the cart. Alright, so days to remember user code list. The plugin puts a cookie for the user, so it will remember the code list of the user even if he close his PC, shut down his PC, close any tabs, leave your site. The code list will be remembered from your website, from your shop. So here you can specify how many days you want your shop to remember its user quote list. New quote email notification. you can put any email address, additional email address that you want to receive an email notification about codes. The administration of the website will get a notification anyway, but here you can put another email address to get a new code request notification. And the last one from this section is the email user on front end new quote. This means that when the user comes here and submit a quote list for review, he will also get a notification that his quote list has been submitted. Further down is are the email settings. Text before the quote list on the reminder email. When a reminder email is sent, it includes the quote list um, for the specific quote. So in this text area, you can put any custom text that you may want to be displayed before the quote list. And on the next one, you can put any text, custom text that you want to be displayed after the quote list. This is for the reminder email. On the next two, you can put text before the quote list for the follow-up email, and after the quote list for the follow-up email. So you can customize the text, put even emojis for your emails. The next section is the PDF settings. Here you can put a PDF logo. Just click on Add Media and insert your logo on this text box. And PDF company address. Here you can put your company address, your shop address, and some custom text before the products table that is on the PDF. And finally, you can put any custom text on the PDF footer. Here are some colors, the header of the background color of the headers, and here you can customize the links color on the PDF. The last text area is for adding custom CSS to style your PDF. And of course, don't forget to click on Save Changes. So now we're going to see how to add a quote on the backend. I clicked on the quotes, I see a list of previous quotes, and if I want to send an offer to a friend of mine, a VIP user or VIP client, I can click on Add Quote. Let's say that we have a user already, so I click on Demo, search for demo, we found our user, we click and the user is selected. But let's say that a friend called and said he wants an offer and he's not a customer already. So here I'm going to put his email. No user is found, and the only option is the email. I click on the email, and I'm also prompt to add the user as a client. You can fill them up if you want to. If you don't want to, you can just skip this. It's not obligatory. So further down is I can add products here and tweak them. Alright, let's say that I wanna add the Ninja product, a flying Ninja. Click on the plus one. I want to add another Ninja, a happy Ninja, and click on this one, the Ninja silhouette. Oh no, what's wrong? I can click on this and remove the product. Also, this works nicely with variable products. So let's add the CPR idea. I'll just select the black one, and you see that the variation. Oops, wrong one. Alright, I just added here wrong tab, sorry this. Right, so black one, and you see that the variation is here. Now I can add some discount, doesn't matter which field I'm going to tweak. Let's say that I want this, and I want the price for this to be 30. So no matter what I'm going to fill in, all the fields are updated on the same product. And finally, I can add some expiry date, a reminder date, a follow-up date. This is my friend Paul, some administrator. Notes, and if I want to, I can add a file. You get a media uploader, the normal one of WordPress. I can choose the status of my offer, and if I think that everything is fine, then I can go on and click on send quote. This will make the quote available for the user, and also it will send to him an email notify him that there is a new quote, a new offer for him. I think that's all covered, and I will be glad to answer any questions that you may have. You can suggest any functionality that you may want, and also be sure to check the description below the video, and you can get a link to a video that explains how the plugin works from the front end, from the user perspective. Thank you for watching.